Good morning, everybody. It's Kathy from Create with Kate 56. How is everyone doing today? I'm doing really good, thanks. I have been in a slump for the past couple of weeks. Don't know why, but well, I do know why. It's because of the change of the seasons and dark days and all that jazz. But anyway, Natalie asked me to be a guest designer for her Etsy shop and her channel, and at LineDotArrow, in case I didn't say that. I can't remember if I did or not. Anyway, so I chose the Christmas kit, Golden Christmas. So what we've got here is a journal, closes like a traveler's journal, and it is made out of chipboard, the cover, and then I have fabric on the outside. There's 52 pages, front and back, and it measures 4 1/4 by 6 3/4, and the spine is about 1 1/8. So there we go. Let's get into it. I made a rosette here. I chose a green and a red button that would kind of coordinate with my fabric here. I made a little rosette. I got a little snowflake on here. Looks like he's getting a little unstuck. And there's a snowflake. This was from last year. I got in a Happy Mail, and then I just die cut out this little swirly shape here for it to rest on. Down here, I just cut out a piece of green cardstock. This is Tim Holtz craft colored cardstock, and did a little Merry Christmas sentiment in there. I used a corner punch to get this little design on the front. By the way, while we're here, how do you like my paper cutter? I'm in love with it. I don't know, can you see the back of it, or where the handle is? It is so awesome. So awesome. I just love it. Now let me make sure I got it back where it needs to be. Yep, okay. Alright, let's open it up. On the inside, I have a belly band with a little calendar I printed out from the internet, and I just made a chipboard backing, and it's got magnets so you can hang it on your fridge. And yeah, I just did some collage and added some gold cardstock to that. So that's right here in the front. These pages were so cool. I just loved them. All the designs on them, they're just so pretty. So we have our first page here. I numbered all the plain sheets up to Christmas, so you can keep track of what you're doing in your month of December. And yeah, so they all have the numbers. This is a Tim Holtz number die, and I did a red layer and a gold layer in the back, and kind of shifted it so you can see the back part. And here we have a page that flips, and inside here is a little gingerbread man word search puzzle. And I just have that attached with the paper clip. On this side I have a pocket, and this is from all the paper in here is from Natalie's kit, Golden Christmas. And that's, again, available at LineDotArrow store in Etsy. And I just put one of Tim Holtz's little snippets on there. I've got this tag here, and then I layered up a tag, and a little sentiment, and just attached that with a brad. So that goes on there. Over here I have a vellum flip up. It is colored on the back side with my alcohol ink markers, and then that lifts up so you can write in there. And over here I got another little flip over page, and in here, I'll just show one so you can get the idea, are Santa and Mrs. Claus paper dolls. They're so cute. I got those off the internet as well. So, yeah, I thought these were really cute. Be a nice little fun addition. And we got page 5. There's the center of our first signature. You can see they're held in with elastics, and they're replaceable. So next year you can make up your own pages and reuse the cover if you wish. This is a slide kind of tag envelope, whatever. I sealed up the bottom before I could think about taking out the card with the poinsettia on it. So it's just in there. And I've got a little festive greetings here. Got a little red eyelet and some white and red baker's twine. I put a little bow up here. There's page 6 to write on. Over here I've got a pocket with a little girl on the front, and then I covered the back as well. This is just washi tape that I had, and this is washi tape that I made with fabric. So that was fun. And then in this little slide pocket here, I've got a big tag. And then again, I've got a tag on a tag and a sentiment. So going to our second signature now. These images are so cool. There's a lot of collage pages in there that you could use. And then here I've got an envelope that came with the kit and a tag that came with the kit. And I've just got that tucked in there like that. I did it as a little flip over here. And I have a Tim Holtz ephemera thing there with the just a little piece of string. There's page 11, 12, middle of the second signature. I think these numbers turned out really cool. I really like the way they did turn out. Over here is another pocket from the kit. This is a little Tim Holtz thing there. And I have this tag. I put a little miniature rosette up there with a little red circle and a star. And over here we have another flip out. And in this one we've got a big Christmas tree word search puzzle. And here's the third signature. Got a pocket with a tag and a little hanger on it. And this is, these are just gold stars I punched out of gold cardstock. And I put a little washi tape along the edge up here. So there's that one. Got another little flip out here. And this is, if I can get it open, come on. There we go. This is a little snowman word search. Those were so fun. I found those on I think Pinterest, and yeah, I really like them. Here is another envelope flip with a tag inside. Well, I don't know what they're barking at. The wind is blowing, so that's probably it. Sorry, I apologize. I guess they have decided that they... Come on, get in there. That they didn't see anything out there. Here's another vellum flip up. The 23, 24, 25. I have the Merry Christmas die cut on there. And then back here I have another little pocket with 2 tags. These are fussy cut out of the paper, and then this tag is just as it was in the kit. So there we go. On the back page I got a couple of snowflakes and a little deer, and then the back. So okay guys, I hope you like this. It was really fun to put together, and it went really quick because the ideas were just coming at me. So anyway, make sure to like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel, so I can bring you more things like this and tutorials and who knows what. But yes, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much then. Bye.